सीधे लिए चलता कोलकाता में बिजनेस समिट चल रही है, जहां पर RIL चेयरमैन मुकेश अंबानी खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Find information and entertainment, access healthcare, and remain connected with near and dear ones. India can solve the most complex problems of poverty, unemployment, and underdevelopment. This is the revolution that is beckoning India. This is the revolution that is beckoning Bengal. Bengal has always been a land of revolutionaries. Now the time has come for Bengal to become a land of digital revolutionaries. Bengal was the cradle of industrialization in India over a century ago. Now the time has come for your state to become a leader to the fourth industrial revolution. To help rapid adoption of the technologies of the fourth industrial revolution, Reliance Jio has rolled out a world-class infrastructure with bouquet of affordable services in this state and all over India. Permit me to mention here that what we have done so far in West Bengal and all our commitments in the future. First, in 2016, when I first attended the Bengal Global Business Summit, Reliance's investment in the state were 4,500 crores. Today, our investments stand at 28,000 crores in West Bengal alone. This accounts for about 1/10 of our total investment in India so far. Jio has thus become the largest investor in the digital space in the state. Now, we have firmed up our plan for a further investment of over 10,000 crores. This plan is already under implementation. Second, I am happy to announce that our endeavor to cover 100% of the state's population with our Jio network is progressing at a fast pace. We hope to achieve this within the current year 2019. Third, Jio's GigaFiber project of connecting Bengal with optic fiber to bring superior digital services to every home has progressed well. This will transform every home in Bengal into a smart home. Fourth, Reliance Retail operates over 500 retail stores and 46 petro retail outlets spanning nearly 1 million square feet across 400 cities and towns of West Bengal. We support local businesses by procuring 4,000 metric tons of agricultural produce in addition to 2.5 million garments annually. Fifth, West Bengal is poised to become the logistics hub of the East with plans to attract investment of over 5,000 crores by 2020. This can create direct and indirect jobs for 50,000 people. We at Reliance operate nearly 3 million square feet of warehouses in Bengal, and with our new commerce initiative, this will increase many-fold in the next 24 months. Jio and Reliance Retail will shortly launch a unique new commerce platform which will bring win-win benefits to consumers, retailers, and producers. Across the country, this platform will enrich and empower as many as 3 crore small shopkeepers. Sixth, for Jio, digital rejuvenation of rural markets is a priority. Jio has close to 1 lakh active business partners across Bengal. Now, in yet another unique initiative, we have set up Jio Points as a direct distribution channel in deep rural markets to cater to the growing rural market and each and every village in West Bengal. With these Jio Points, we will have brick and mortar presence in every tehsil of the state to serve every single village. As we speak today, 350 Jio Points are already operational, and we will target 1,000 by the end of the year. Seventh, I thank the state government for allotting land for our state-of-the-art data center project in Calcutta. I assure you that we will implement this project speedily and make it as good as the ones in Silicon Valley. Eighth, last year I had announced the establishment of the Satyendra Nath Bose Chair Professor in the Department of Physics at the University of Calcutta. I am delighted to inform you that the Government of West Bengal has approved our proposal and we are setting up this chair this year. Friends, I am happy that Reliance currently provides direct and indirect employment to about 100,000 people in the state of West Bengal. Honorable Chief Minister, whenever I come here, I feel that Bengal is a state with a soul. It embraces everybody, and when one leaves it, the state too leaves you with a bit of Bengal and Kolkata in your heart, and a sense of satisfaction and a refreshed feeling in your mind. Under your leadership, Didi, Bengal today has certainly emerged as a sweet Bengal and the land of rising glory. Permit me to sum up my remarks with this heartfelt pledge to you and the people of West Bengal. The deepening and broadening of relationship between Bengal and Reliance will continue for years to come. Reliance's commitment to be an unflinching partner in your dream of a Sonar Bangla is unassailable. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Well, I think you may have noticed that what he said is he started with $1 billion US and have in these just few years has made it into $4 billion US, 4 times. That's in the last 4 years. And of course his 7-point commitments today stands out as a... Yes, in fact, as you know, he's not only the largest industrialist of India in the private sector, but among the world's largest industrialists who have attended and given us his guidance. Thank you very much indeed. Now we turn to the governor, or the chief minister, as we say, of Jeollando province of Korea. He's come all the way. Governor, it is your space today. He's come all the way, very good, strong delegation. Korea is going to be engaged with West Bengal through the governor, state to state.
आगे बढ़ेंगे। मुजफ्फरपुर शेल्टर होम केस में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बिहार हुकूमत की सरजनिश की है। अदालत ने बच्चियों के साथ बदसलूकी को अफसोसनाक करार दिया। अदालत ने